This is a case of knee joint popping sound, crepitus. Let me help you identify it. First, draw a straight line through the midpoint of your thigh bone, femur. Then, draw another straight line along your shin bone, tibia. If the distance between these two lines is greater than 1 finger width, it means your thigh is internally rotated, while your shin is externally rotated. This misalignment makes the femur and tibia no longer in a straight line, like a train derailing, causing joint popping and wear. Here are 2 corrective exercises. Exercise 1. Take a lunge stance. Push your knee outward to perform internal rotation of the shin. Do 5 sets after 20 reps. Correct knee joint alignment. Exercise 2. Place the insides of your feet together with a yoga block between them. Toes pointing forward. Push knees outward. Use a resistance band to open. Perform squats. Keep knees and toes pointing in the same direction the whole time. Do 5 sets, x 20 reps. Correct knee. Joint movement pattern. Stick to this routine for 1 week, and you'll see significant improvement.